Recently, I acquired this tool, and it became a mainstay in my workshop. It's terrific for doing exactly what the name says, removing interior trim. Well, recently the company came out with a smaller version, and this is a star in its own right. Meet the Trim Puller Mini. Smaller than its big brother, but just as versatile, its compact size offers several advantages. For one thing, this mighty mini version is perfect for working in cramped spaces where there just wouldn't be enough room for a larger tool. The compact design makes it easy to store the Trim Puller Mini in a toolbox or a standard household drawer. Even though it's smaller than many traditional prying tools, it has a larger, flatter, wider contact area, which reduces the likelihood of damaging walls and trim. Now, this tool really shines when it comes to removing trim work, like baseboards, chair railing, door casings, and even crown molding. The secret to the Trim Puller Mini's superior prying power is its integrated wedge. As the tool is driven in, the energy from the hammer blow is transferred to the surface of the wedge, forcing the materials apart with much more power than prying alone. Once the Trim Puller Mini is driven in, a side-to-side motion easily separates the trim work from the wall. The tool works equally well on door casings, allowing the trim to be removed intact so that it can be reused if desired. The Mini is the perfect choice for removing smaller, more delicate items, like shoe molding and trim attached to furniture and cabinets. The Trim Puller Mini is a multi-purpose tool, ideal for taking up thresholds, removing transition strips, taking off weather stripping, prying up carpet tack strip, and getting rid of metal carpet edging. It's also really good at removing ceramic tile. In this slow-motion video, it's easy to see how the integrated wedge quickly separates the tile from the substrate. The Trim Puller Mini has an impact-absorbing rubber handle that dampens shock and vibration rather than transferring it to the hand and arm. The tool is ideal for separating countertops that have been glued to base cabinets. It also works as a temporary shim and leveling tool for cabinet installation. And it can even be used for scoring wooden shims before breaking. The Trim Puller Mini also quickly removes nails without the risk of wall damage. The Trim Puller Mini, don't let its size fool you. It offers a whole lot of prying power in a compact, multi-purpose tool.